My name is Arun Nayak. I am from Bhubaneswar. I did my graduation in BSc Biotechnology from Bangalore University. The dream always has been to be entrepreneur, to start something of my own. And that the work that is needed already started 3 years back when I was in graduation. I had the privilege of being in a part of 3 startup companies. Then after that, what happened was I chose to do an MBA. In EMBA, how has it helped me to fulfill my dream is EMBA has given me the freedom and the responsibility to do what a startup company or a startup team would always do. Like here we do all the events by ourselves, the student, the placement coordination team, being a part of that also has helped, creating the campus drive for students of our batchmates. And that's how EMPI has helped me in doing that. And also being placed in Mafoy after doing HR has also helped me in fulfilling that dream, at least taking one step ahead in my dream. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanidhya Kirolkar. I am from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I did my graduation in engineering, and from small city like Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, I came here in EMPI, Delhi. Here I found my dream come true by getting placed in Aditya Birla. The main thing is about EMPI, what I can say is that it has given me opportunity to think, to take a decision which helps to succeed in life. And I think EMPI has given me all that.
Hello, I'm Shweta Best and I'm from Rajasthan. I did my BCom from Delhi University, and after that I thought of doing an MBA. For that I chose Global Business and Marketing in EMPI. EMPI is a very good institute as far as faculties and other extracurricular activities are concerned. Here I am placed in HDFC Bank, which is one of the strongest bank in the Asia Pacific region. I am very glad to be a part of HDFC and EMPI. EMPI has helped me a lot in improving my communication skill and my presentable skills. So I am very glad, and I am very thankful to the placement committee here who has helped me getting a job before completing my post-graduation, and I would like to thank everybody who is associated with EMPI.
I feel proud to be the first one among the lot to get the placements at EMPI. Currently I am placed in Deloitte, Hyderabad as a tax consultant. It was a pride to be associated with EMPI for these 2 years. I enjoyed a lot and I learned also a lot. Thank you.
This is Saurav Mitra. I am from Kolkata. I have done my schooling from Sri Roman Institute of Education, Salt Lake, and thereafter I have done my graduation from Calcutta University, and my specialization was BCom Honors. There is a small little story behind me taking up commerce as a specialization. My family was not very much approved of my decision taking commerce, and they wanted me to take up science. So it was a challenge for me to take up commerce and go in that field and prove to my family that I can do a good job in this field also. So I completed my BCom Honors, and thereafter I thought that there are so many graduates around. I need something more in my life, like in professional degree, which would help me to enhance myself and stand out from the normal general crowd. So I thought of doing, why not I go for an MBA course. I went through so many colleges, their brochures, and I ultimately came across EMPI. I came to their campus to give the GD and PI. I like the things around here. The process which starts from the early in the day and which goes on till late at the night. I could very well relate that to the corporate life, and I thought that if a guy has to go through this rigorous routine throughout the year, he could very well adapt himself to the corporate lifestyle. And lastly, I went in for the interview process of American Express. It was a 2-day process. The third round completed on the second day, and on 22nd February lastly I got the confirmation. So that was it. I'm very thankful to my family, my teachers, my parents, and the friends who have been by my side all throughout my life, giving me valuable inputs and advices, which has helped me to create this small little success story. Thank you.